This is the activity, What do you know about magnets? For I've got the Power 1 activity list. Words to know: rectangle, opposite, metal, mighty magnets. How can you pick up a paperclip without touching it? With a magnet. A magnet pulls closer together things that are made of certain metals. Magnets come in many shapes. Bar magnets look like rectangles. Horseshoe magnets look like the letter U. These kinds of magnets each have two ends. One end is called the North Pole. One end is called the South Pole. Some magnets are stronger than others. All magnets are strong near the poles. Sometimes magnets push things away. That is what happens when the North Pole of one magnet is near the North Pole of another. Only the opposite ends of magnets attract each other. Look back in the passage. Circle the word that means pull close. Number 2, what are the two ends of a horseshoe magnet called? Number 3, read each sentence below. Circle true or false. A magnet must touch an object to attract it. B, magnets always pull things closer. C, the North Pole of one magnet attracts the South Pole of another. Are these true or false? Here's a brain builder. Text feature text box. There are some things that magnets cannot pick up. Why? Write your answer on the back of this sheet.